Today's the day we are saying goodbye. The StreetHunter Supra got back from SEMA. I know we just finished this car, but now it's time for us to go get our actual molds made of it. We are sending this up to get some last minute fiberglassing done and some corrections to be done, and we're gonna get the molds ready so the StreetHunter kit can finally hit the streets. This kit is a concept still, and what that means is it's on, but it's not like officially secure. So one of the things we're gonna have to do before getting this thing on the trailer is we're probably gonna remove this wing, because I don't know if I trust it on the back of an open trailer. We're getting a lot of questions about when this kit's finally gonna be ready, and we're actually about to start taking pre-orders about this next week. If you wanna stay up to date with all that, you can go ahead and follow the Instagram that's on the screen right now. But we're hoping to have this thing ready by December for it to actually hit customers' hands. The wing right now has self-taps holding the side mounts in. As you can see, it's a little bit shaky. It probably could survive on the way there, but the worst thing that could happen, and we want to try to avoid at all costs, is having so much downforce on the wing that it flies off on the freeway. It pains me to watch this thing leave today, because as much as I want to drive this car again, I probably won't have it for a month and a half, is what I think my guess is gonna be. It takes a long time to get molds done and ready. Even these front fenders themselves are still a little bit loose, like they're not secure. They need to have side mounts made so it's sturdy. Oh man, I'm gonna miss you. But seriously though, for everyone who actually is interested in this kit and wants to have it on their car, the pre-orders, like I said, are gonna start next week. So if you wanna get it before other people and get it quick, I would suggest following the Instagram so you'll get all the updates about it.
I mean, you still have your bar in there. I took mine off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see, Teach. Things going right sometimes.
I'm gonna miss her, man. She's been gone for a long ass time.
You said 2 months, right?
How does the body kit look without the wing on?
I like it more.
It looks really good without a wing.
Yeah, I'm a fan of like the little whale tails and duck bills, and the Super trunk is already pretty spicy.
Dude, that looks like...
It looks mad. It looks awesome. Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah.
I want to quickly interrupt today's video to say thank you to our video sponsor, CSR2. CSR2 is a game that I've been playing for quite a long time. I even had their first game years ago, and I've recently, for the past year, been grinding on CSR2, leveling up, and now it's time for you guys to do the same. You can customize your cars, drag race them against friends, and take over cities and take over the street. You have the opportunity to play with live players across the world in cars like the McLaren P1, Koenigsegg 1-to-1, and much more hypercars. You're able to tune and customize your cars with multiple mods you could do to it, from exhaust to nitro suspension to even tire setup. One of CSR2's best features is the fact that the graphics are amazing. They even have an augmented reality mode that allows you to see the build that you created in all sorts and forms, to see it in nearly real life form. You can build your dream garage, collect hundreds of cars including muscle cars, exotics, supercars, and hypercars. The best part is that CSR Racing 2 is free to play and available on iOS and Android. So click the links down below to download the game for free. Thank you so much for CSR2 for sponsoring today's video. Download the link, because if by you guys supporting them, you're supporting me. Thank you so much, and let's get back to today's video. Dude, I'm like sad right now. I'm like sad.
Because your car's leaving again?
I like barely got to drive it when I owned it, and now I'm like never gonna see it again. That is it, the deed is done. The car is on the way. I'll try and keep you guys updated along the process of how soon it's gonna be ready for production and how soon they're gonna take to get the molds done. I was told it's gonna be a while, so I'm gonna assume like a month and a half, 2 months at the worst. It is what it is. In the meantime though, we will be building Calvin's car, and I have a turbo for this car. We have charge pipes for this car, down pipes for this car. All the stuff I was gonna do on mine, since mine's gone, there's just no better excuse than to do it on Calvin's car. So that being said, that car is long gone for now, but this weekend, I'm planning to go drive the Z finally, as the temperature here is cooling, and as you can kind of see, it's a little bit gloomy out, so the temperatures are dropping, which are great because it's been really, really hot. But I'm gonna try and get my 350 kind of ready today. The coil packs that were in it, I had to switch over to my JZ because my coil packs that I was originally running in the 350, like, just completely shit themselves and stopped working. So I ordered a brand new set of coil packs. I ordered some additional stuff that I'll walk through you guys a little bit. But as you can see here, shout out to Father Rob Dom. He's been doing a lot of like POV stuff, and as weird as that sounds, I was like so inspired by it that I went and I bought this new GoPro, and we're gonna do some POV filming today. And it's a new little angle. I think I like it a lot. Switching to a POV, and 3, 2, 1.
You
Dang.
can't say that, Tej.
Yeah, we can.
You said the S word.
POV?
Shoot. But like,
Oh, shit.
you can't say that.
I know, I'm gonna have to fix it in post. These are LS coils. They're D585s, I believe is what they're also called. They're from like an Escalade, or I think they're in some like old Chevy trucks. I ordered a brand new set and I got AC Delcos. These are like the best brand to use if you're doing this conversion. I also ordered another set for my Mark IV that I'm also using because I'm doing the same LS conversion for the coil packs. And these ones were from CX Racing, and they actually are still holding up fine, but for my drift car that I know is gonna be taking way more of a beating, I got the ones I know are 100% legit. So for those, I went with the AC Delcos. So that's what we have right here. So what we need to do is we need to swap all of these over to these new brackets. And then also, I lost the boot that connects the coil pack to the actual spark plug. And I've been looking and looking and looking online for such a long time, and I finally found the right part number for it. These are from NGK, and when I show it to you, it will make a little bit more sense. But what we have here, this is like the little like boot, so it doesn't like arc off on the side of the head. So this literally will fit right in here. This is the setup that we need for this, all brand new. I'm excited to finally have these. That's one of the biggest reasons is why I haven't been driving the cars, because I haven't found this fix yet, but I finally found everything. But before we go ahead and install it, we need to go ahead and remove all of these brackets because our car does not use these like the Cadillac does. So we're gonna remove all this stuff. So we're gonna transfer over our bracket here, which you can see it with our old coils. Pretty simple setup. Oh no, that's actually gonna be a real pain in the butt. Shove it way up there, Morty. Way up your butt. Oh man, that's gonna suck. We need to trim off all this plastic stuff. It's like not letting it come out. So we're gonna get a razor blade, try and cut some of this stuff off. That sucks. I'm trying to remove these from this bracket, but like, I don't know what this like tape is or whatever it is, but like,
Oh, it won't come out.
like won't come out. So I'm gonna try to like cut them off or pry them off. I don't know, do you have any suggestions? Or like just force it off?
Oh man,
But it's like hard, it's like crusted. I don't know, it's just such a weird like hold.
Yeah, it's weird. Good luck with that.
But I was gonna
yourself.
like,
Oh my gosh, you're making me nervous. Ah!
I'll update you guys when I figure out how I'm gonna remove all this stuff. Oh, you know what? I think this red tape is part of it. I might be able to pry this off. Oh, there it is. I got it, Calv. Oh, so that was like almost like a foil tape, probably to try to like help it with heat, I guess. I don't know. If anyone else knows, comment down below. Okay, so there's one old one. So we're gonna go ahead and do that to 6 more coils. So this goes ahead and it slips in. It's a little loose, but when we have that bracket on, it shouldn't really matter too much. So I'm missing hardware on this one, unfortunately. So it's supposed to have a spacer here, and then it has a spacer here, which is a pretty weird design. All right, so that's one done. I'm gonna go ahead and do this to the other 6. And then once I do that, I'll catch you guys back at the car. So let's go ahead and throw these in. So what we're gonna be doing is pretty much just putting them right in here, and then we're gonna be screwing in the bolts right here. The tricky part is getting these to click in, having everything sit flush, so we're gonna have to manhandle them a little bit. We'll work our way from the front and go towards the back, make it easy on us. We'll do this one with the missing spacer first. All right, I think I got that one first try. Come on, those little plugs need to sit. I just pulled them out just to make sure that those plugs were right and they fit perfect. So they create a seal on the bottom. Got super lucky with those. Good hype on that. So I'm gonna go ahead, throw these back in, bolt it down, and move on to the rest. I was changing out the battery and Calvin was able to, per usual, finagle his way in there. You pretty much, what, you just did it piece by piece?
Yeah.
You just kind of had to like...
I did the bottom half first, and then put the second plate, and then carefully stuck the spacers in.
It's always good to have a Calvin around. Shop.calvin.com, everyone.
All sold out.
Whoa!
Oh, you're missing.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right, don't have the spacer in that one, so we don't want to crank that one down too much. And we'll just make sure all this is secure and bolted in. Hell yeah. All right, and now harness time. There she goes. She's back. Force this down a little bit. Hey, shout out to the rain though. We haven't seen this in like months and months and months. Feels kind of nice. Whole little rev action. All this is now completed. We're gonna jump inside, try and start it, see if it works. And if it starts, we did good. All right. I wonder if it actually even has enough juice to start on its own. It might. Ooh, I could tell by that it does not. Okay. All right, baby, I know it's been a while, but I think you're due. It's on 85, it's cold. She's almost though, she's almost kicking. That's not good, that light just fell. Ooh, that would have been bad. Nice. So unfortunately with this rain and the weather and stuff, I'm not gonna go ahead and take this stuff out, so I'll probably do it tomorrow. But it fired up, everything. Mickey's calling me a puss because I'm not going out and driving it. I don't wanna deal with it getting wet. I'm sorry. Vlog, I know you guys are like, oh, come on, go drive it. I don't wanna go get it wet, not gonna happen. But regardless, it started, everything is good. Before we go out this week, I'm gonna do a full nut and bolt, and I have a bunch of spare parts coming in for this, like spare racks, and some extra suspension arms and stuff that we need. But that is good. I'm glad that fired up. I got that handled and situated. I'm just glad everything worked. I want to give Calvin an extra hand on the Supra, see if there's anything we can dial up. But man, right now the shop feels empty. Now with the Mustang gone, and now with the Mark V gone, the 458's not even here because that's at home, because my truck, I've been driving that. It's just, feels like there's a lot of room. It's gnarly, it's weird, but I like it though, but it's weird. The question that needs to be had as we are moving into December is, do we do Vlogmas or do we not do Vlogmas? I kind of prefaced this question like a while ago, probably like a couple episodes back. I'm like considering about doing it. We haven't daily vlogged in such a long time, and that's just kind of how it's been with like the last couple builds we've done. I don't know. I want to hear you guys' comments down below. If there's a overwhelming response of people saying that you guys want to see the daily vlogs, I'll do it. And you just understand that it's hard to do daily vlogs and make them long videos, and it's hard to always be wrenching on a car or whatever every day. So long story short, comment down below if you think we should do it. Cal, do you think we should do daily vlogs as we get... Huh? What? Do you think we should do the daily vlogs for December?
I I think yes.
Really?
I think yes.
I did not think you were gonna say yes.
Reason being is because daily vlogs are special again. You haven't done it in a while, and it is for December. And if the channel's going the same way, it's not gonna be like that.
No. It won't.
Until it's special again in December. The problem with Vlogmas for the past couple years was it wasn't very special because it was...
Well, they got the special intro.
Well, I mean, I love that intro. It's a great intro. But yeah, I think it's special again. So...
Fair enough.
That's my...
We'll see. As you can tell, like, I'm hesitant to do it just because it's... I don't want to...
It's difficult.
It's difficult. It's so difficult.
It's very difficult.
Maybe we'll do it again. Maybe we'll do it. I'm not quite sure.
Maybe business week. No weekends.
Oh, business week, as in just do like
No
Monday
weekends.
to Friday?
Monday to Friday.
Dude, I think if you're gonna do it, you gotta like full sendy.
Yikes. That's...
It's like, it's an all or nothing deal. Maybe like you screw up and you miss a day or two, but like if you're gonna do it, I don't even know if I remember how to daily vlog.
Hey, bro.
That's like I don't know if I remember how to do it.
Hey, bro. If you guys make him do it, just know on January 1st he might have depression from how much he has to do. Those daily vlogs were deteriorating teach. That's what I saw.
Well, unfortunately, the rain kind of cut us a little bit short on testing the Z today. I'm sure it's fine, but we'll probably test it tomorrow or something like that. That's all I got. Cal, are you gonna end the vlog today?
Not today, baby. Haven't done it. I don't think. Oh, I have. Not in a long time. Not today. Get that out. Get that Benedict out of my face. Say goodbye.
All right, guys. Well, that's where I'm gonna end it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I feel like we got rid of the Supra today. I feel like it's gone and we're just not gonna see it again. That's how I feel, which is like, I know it's not gone, but like it's gone. But follow StreetHunter Designs if you guys wanna be up to date with all of that stuff, and if you are interested about the kit and like the other parts we have coming out. Whoops, should have said that. Regardless, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. And keep moving forward.